there, lovelies. So I'm going to paint a landscape today. It's going to be a bit colourful for me, and it's going to be twilight. You know, I like my atmospheric paintings. So it's going to be, these are the colours. So I'm using a black, a white, pale blue I've mixed myself, ultramarine blue, a purple, shocking pink, lemon yellow, a pink I've mixed myself, a nice dark pink, and a burnt sienna, and probably a burnt umber if I can find it. Yeah, oh, and a cream. Forgot about the cream. Right, so let's make a start. Ooh, duty. Right, let's make a start. So, right, so I'm going to graduate my colours. Now, I probably have to do this. Let's do the cream. Probably have to do this several times because I do like a nice thick. Oh, I don't know where that came from. That bit of black. I do like a nice thick layer or layers on my paintings. Now I'm painting acrylic on card, thick card, and I'm going to, hopefully, if it turns out nice, I'm going to frame the painting. So let's see what happens. There. So I know that I want a nice pale blue there, because I can always go over these colours again. I'm starting off with a nice pale blue. And then, where's the horizon going to be? The horizon's going to be about there. About there-ish. Yeah, about like that. Right, and now I'll put some more colour in there. That's just to vary these shades. Now, I'll tell you what I will do. Make a nice peach colour. I love that peach. And it's just burnt sienna and a cream it is. So I'll put the peach in here and there. Now, don't forget, I'm going to be going over this again. Put some peach in there. And let's get some shocking pink. Ooh, and mix it with the peach and see what happens. Oh, yeah, I think I might like it. There. Oh, we'll have to go over that again. There. That's what I was looking for. Ooh. Right. Let's put a bunch of colour down. Now, I'm also going to put some here. There. Like that. Let's put, we want some very dark clouds there. Here. So I'm going to use an ultramarine and a black. And there's a little bit of cream on my brush, so some dark clouds coming in here. Like that. I'll just lay down the first. I'll let you watch me do the first layer, and then there, I like that. I'll let you watch me do the first layer, and then I'll do the second layer, exactly the same off camera. Exactly the same. I like that, like a navy blue looking. No, these are going to be these are going to be clouds. So, nice. And what I'll do is, in a minute, I'll get a smaller brush. Don't matter about that. It's going to be trees there. Let's see. And here we'll go dark again. Very dark. Let's try it. I like that. I love that blue. See if I can recreate it. That blue there, like that. Coming all the way across here like this. Yeah, that's nice. It doesn't matter there because there's going to be trees there. At least I don't think it matters. Yeah. There, let's try that. Right. Now, in front of that lot, it's going to be a slightly lighter bunch of cloud there. Slightly lighter. There, like that. A bit lighter. Like that. Don't forget, interesting shapes is what you're looking for. Like this. Some interesting shapes like that. And always go over it if you don't like it, okay? Right. Let's do a bit of foreground. What are we going to have? I'm going to mix some I'm going to mix some of this lovely lemon yellow and some black. There. And it's going to be sort of as the horizon. Let's go in here now. You can always lighten it as well. Let's go the whole way because this is going to be there's going to be fields. Let's do it all light. Let's do this whole thing light green. The whole thing. And here, yeah, let's do this. I'm going to keep that. I want a narrow channel. Let's do this. No. Something like that, okay. Now, what I'm going to do is, because I like my layers, I'm going to, right, I'm going to make sure everything's in order. And on the camera, and then I'm going to put another layer. So here I'm just blending the paint with a damp cloth. And now I decide to add some different colours to the sky. I've mixed a lovely peach colour. I used the pink and some cream, and I put in a little bit of burnt sienna and made a beautiful peach colour. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, it would be lovely if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing to the channel. It's totally free. The channel can also be supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.